Good morning, and here are Academic Excellence awardees with honors. D.K. Liam D. Argawanon, and he will receive a special award for Cultural Balak Municipal second placer. And of course, he will receive an Academic Excellence Certificate Award. With honors, Mary Nina Faith Bastismo. She will receive a special awards for story retelling district competition, and she will also receive a Little Teacher Award. And Maria Georgina Eunice Camp.
Ay, medium din eh.